So here's my dog, right? She sees me, right? She's being very attentive. I'm going to walk outside. This is how really great, super, super intelligent she is, okay? Are you ready? So here I'm outside, right? Etta. Come here, Etta. Come here, Etta. 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 Okay, you see me, right? You see I'm standing here in front of the door? Are you ready? I'm going to ring the doorbell. And you might think this is just an odd occurrence, right? Okay, ready? Here we go. We're going to ring it one more time. You ready? Mastermind at work. On Potato Lane. Where are you going? Gotta protect me from the doorbell.